Good day, my friend. In today's video I will show you how to fit a shredding deflector or eventually change it on your Stihl FS550. Before we start, I will give you some part numbers in case you want to buy it. So you can buy the protector just on its own, and for this I will give you the part number. Or like me, you can buy the kit and replace all this, and that's another part number that I will give you as well. Okay, so depending on your machine, mine for instance here it's damaged, so I will replace this and I will show you how we're gonna do it now. If you have a protector in place, first off we will have to remove it. So you take your spanner steel, you remove this and we take it off. Then we will have to remove the entire head as well. For this we will unscrew here on the side, and once it's done we'll knock it off. Once everything is removed, I would advise you, you don't have to do it, but I would advise you to open the head a little bit. So you can place a screwdriver here, okay, inside, and knock it a little bit, so like that. This will become a bit loose and it will be much easier to remove. Now we will need to remove that part that's here, that we will be replacing with the new one. Here normally you've got the rivets. Mine is gone with the time, so you can either file it and take it off, or you can use a drill and drill it, okay? And then you knock it off and we're gonna clean everything. I took it off and obviously I've cleaned a bit this, okay? Now we're gonna place this back, okay? That way. We're gonna make sure this is aligned with that hole, okay? Very important, because later we're gonna place the rivets inside. So let's do it now. Now that this is done, we place back the head on the machine. And obviously, we tighten it. When placing the head, just make sure that this is completely aligned, okay? And once it's done, tighten nicely here. Then we will fit the protector. To fit the protector, we can't go wrong. We open it. Inside here, we've got a little tab. We place it inside. That's it. It doesn't move. We place this one on there and we tighten it. Make sure that this slides into this as well, and we're good to go. Once fitted, we just need to replace this. If you don't have your shredding blade, I will place mine. In case you don't have the reference number, I will also give you the reference in case you need to buy it, okay? And that's it. The job will be done. Look at this, we've got the machine nearly as new. Perfect. So I hope you have liked the video. I hope this has been useful to you. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care. Ciao.